before that, don't hold it tight. It's all loose. Last minute hack. Parang biglang sasakalin mo siya. Good. Good, that's it. Good, that's it. Good. 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 Good, that's it. Okay. Just remember lang, kailangan lang siya soft eh. Everything in badminton has to be relaxed eh. You cannot be stiff. With the backhand, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, guide you soft and then to stop it forward. Ganun din, okay? Next we'll try drive.
Sige.
Kayong dalawa siguro, di ba, you're the stronger, I think, di ba?
Yeah.
Then kayong dalawa. Kayo mag-partner, kayo magpapaluan lang. Drive, okay? I'll watch you and I'll tell you what to do. Good, that's it. Same thing. Pero sige, ganito. Okay, ganito ha. The important thing in drive is this position, okay? When you're hitting the ball, you're going this way. This is going up. Diba? We want it to go flat. So how do we do it? We go one step forward. One step forward. So it needs fast reaction eh. Diba? You have to follow the ball. So I'll guide you. Tingnan nyo. Watch ha. I receive it. I follow. So my ball goes down. See? Most of the time it goes down. See? Diba? Just stop lang. Ang important thing is, this one, cock, nandito na siya, ready na for the next shot. Right. Hindi siya pwedeng cock and then ready. It has to be cock, cock.
So nakataas ulit?
Yeah, nakataas siya kasi it's flat eh. Not naman too high kasi the net is right here. You want it exact the net lang, so it's right here. Don't go over, don't go too low. If you go too low, you'll be always defending it.
Right.
So, diba? Pag magbabackhand ka na, it's the same concept eh. Mas mababa, you just stop it forward. Diba? Huwag mong pipilitin na malakas kasi tataas siya. So magsusmash sila, patay ka na. Diba? Okay? It's low na, just stop it lang. Diba? Pag mababa na, hit it soft. Para mag-curve lang siya pababa, hindi siya tumaas. Good, that's it. After you hit, move back ha. Move back. One step lang. Yeah, that's it. Doesn't have to be big steps eh. Doesn't have to go like this. It can be this way lang. It can be this small lang yung step. As long as it's moving, it's a lot easier. Good, that's it. See? Good. See? Up. Same thing with forehand. When it's low na, just relax and then tap. When it's forehand, same thing. Soft, relax. Yeah, that's it. See? Good. Good, that's it. Good. Good, that's it. Push, good. Good. Good, that's it. You have to always be ready, lock it up, ha? Stay delicate. You after hit, nakanilito ka eh. So kaya, pak, nandito. Pak, nandito. Pak, nandito. Diba? Good, that's it, see? Ano? Oh, pena, nagmamadali na naman, ha? Relax, 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 relax. Yeah, that's it, see? Good. It keeps the ball flat eh once you relax, diba? Ang ganda ng bola. Okay, so I guess malalakas kayo lahat eh. You have the shot, you have the power. I mean, may muscles kayo, lahat kaya nyo gawin eh. It's just that yung right timing eh, diba? Very important. Napansin nyo, konting guide ko lang sa inyo, nakuha nyo kagad, ang dali lang eh. Parang ang simple lang pala eh, diba? Just always remember, first thing is relax. And then just stop the ball. And always start from the middle to forward. Never go this way. Especially with backhand. Yan yung difference eh. Iniisip natin para lumakas, swing natin malaki eh. Hindi. Lalo siya nagiging mabagal, umaabot siya sa dulo. Mabagal lang siya, so hindi siya malakas. Okay? Yun lang. And then the rest, I think, you guys are good players and malakas kayo. Hopefully, may mga masalihan kayo, manalo kayo. Okay. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you very much for dropping by.
And we'd like to thank you also. Medyo akala namin we knew everything already. Pero nung siyempre, yung mga small things pala, hindi namin na-notice pag walang
Yeah, malaking tulong rin. Kala mo, diba, parang simple lang eh. Diba? Pag narinig mo parang, wow, that's all I have to know to get this right. Parang, okay, so thank you very much. Thank you. And syempre, meron kami konting gift sa'yo from Marty. Thank you, amazing.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
This